Hello my dear friends, Imba Trader is here to share with you the best, on my personal opinion, way how to make money online, and of course with the help of the binary options. For those who see me for the first time, I continue my marathon, which is called Path to Million, where I start with $1,000 deposit and try to make some significant amount of money out of those 1,000. Let me proceed with my first stake and turn on couple indicators so I could understand what's actually going on here. So as I said, this is day 3. We started with 1,000 bucks, doubled that amount on the first day. On the second day, reached the $4,000 level, and our goal for today is $8,000. We gonna try to double that amount, and our first stake wins, which is good. I like those good starts. So let's see if we will be able to make it real quick so I don't take much of your time, guys. Alright, let's see whether we will proceed with this one or skip. Since we do have some room for movements, this wasn't a quite secure stake that I just made, but anyway, let's see if it's going to work out, since we do have, as I said, we do have some room for movements, and we are really close to the bar. But fortunately for us, another win. We are at $6,000 level and proceeding. So I conditionally call it Path to Million. It's like metaphorical million. I don't think I will be able to earn 1 million bucks here, but you never know. Let's see how it works out. Maybe it will happen that I lose and I won't be making any new videos in this series, and maybe we'll get to some really good amount of money. And oh yeah, you see how the green and red lines crossed on the downwards movement. It means that I made my stake too early and I had to make one for the fall, and I had to make it when the lines were crossing. So according to the martingale strategy, I'm gonna multiply my stake by 2.5, and okay, so the reason why I made the rise stake this time is because as you see on the trend, there are the reverse movements that were happening after the falls, and I do think that the same should happen here. Right, so another thing, I was trying to make $2,500 stake, but Expertoption platform doesn't allow you to make ones more than 1,000 bucks. So I had to make 3 of them instead of 1. Alright, there is another really sharp upwards movement going on, and you see that crossing. This is where we missed the moment to make a stake and to win for sure. That's where we had to make one. Anyway, I mean, I think we are still in a good position and might get to a pretty good result. So you know, like millions of people around the world, they invest money in one or another way, and big part of them trades on stock markets. We just lost this one. Some trade on forex market, and some trade just like me, trade binary options. And I don't understand when somebody says that binary options are fake or it's not real trading. It's for me, it's the same way, the same legit way to make money online, trading assets and currencies based on the indicators, based on the news, based on the knowledge and experience. And I think everybody can do that once they get confident trading on the demo accounts. Alright guys, looks like we just lost again. I made $2,000 stake, and I think I need to be more cautious starting from now on. So the line is too far out from the RSI 30% point, so I might need to skip this one, but I will proceed with another $2,000 stake, and in 20 seconds we're gonna find out whether it was a good decision or not so good one. So another question that I've been asked multiple times is what is better, forex or binary options? Well, of course there are some similarities between them, between forex and binary options trading. Both markets are tradable online. We just want 3800, by the way, and they both allow users to start trading with small amount of capital. Okay, let's see if we are in a good position to... Okay, another $2,000 for the rise. And how do you think, is it going to work out or not? According to the trends, like if you look at the waves that were happening before, like there is no specific uprising or downwards trend. It's pretty straight and it's moving in the oscillating lines. And another $3,800. So we had a couple big losses happening today, but we managed to get all the money back. And $6,500, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if we will be able to get to our today's goal. Alright, $2,000 for the fall, based on the sharp rise that happened here and on the RSI graph. I know it's too early, 15 seconds, but I think we should be good here. And if it's like that, then we are amazing. $8,300. And what just happened here, ladies and gentlemen, we were able to double our today's deposit. Day 3 of Path to Million series finished with the 100% profit. In 3 trading sessions we managed to get from $1,000 to $8,000, and we will see how far it will get. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Try free trading on the demo account and see if you are able to do the same with the virtual money. And I will see you later. Cheers.